Good morning, Miss Alexander.
Good morning.
So what brought you into our office?
Actually, I was looking for an alternative to pain pills to manage my pain.
Mm-hmm. And you mentioned that you were having hip pain before, right?
Yes, I had fallen 2 years ago and shattered my hip bone. And they had tried to replace it, but the contraption that they used broke inside me.
Gee.
And I was wheelchair bound for about 2 months. They went back in, they replaced the hip and put about 9 inches of titanium into my leg bone and wrapped it with wire.
Goodness.
And in the process, they did stretch my nerve in my leg, so I have leg neuropathy in my left leg.
Definitely. So quite a bit going on.
Yes.
And how long had you been dealing with this hip pain and neuropathy pain?
Since the surgery 2 years ago.
2 years ago. And how is this pain affecting your life? Did it make anything more difficult?
It made everything more difficult. Things were not possible for me to do. I dropped things on the floor. I could not pick them up because I could not bend down to pick them up. I still cannot reach the floor, but I am trying every day, and I do manage to get things off the floor now.
Definitely. So you mentioned walking was obviously difficult.
Walking was terrible. I still have a slight limp, but it is 90% better. I'd say from a pain level of 9 down to a 2 is remarkable.
Awesome. And so let's see, what kind of treatment did you go through here?
We went through the Detox 360 after I had had some initial x-rays done.
And labs.
And labs, yes, so that they could find out if inflammation was my problem.
Right. And it's been not even a month, it'll be a month tomorrow, since you started treatment here, and you mentioned that you're feeling better.
Yes, I am. I've learned what vegetables cause inflammation and what spices can help with inflammation. I have learned what to stay away from. Of course, I've always drank a lot of water, so that is very important. And learning about the fruits and vegetables is very important too, to know what to keep out of your body.
So you said your hip pain went from about a 9 down to a 2.
Yes.
How about those neuropathy symptoms?
The tingling that I feel is much less. I would say it was always 100%. I would say probably 15% of the time I may feel it.
Awesome.
The tingling is gone. I can feel my foot. My legs don't feel different to me anymore.
Right.
And I'm sleeping better.
You are.
Yes, I was never able to sleep much more than an hour without pain, and I have accomplished at least 8 hours of sleep without pain.
That's amazing. And you mentioned your hands.
Yes, my hands were getting stiff, and it was just periodically. But since I've been on this detox, I have not had one single symptom.
Amazing. And we already mentioned the things that are easier for you to do now, like walking and getting there, picking things up, but definitely seeing improvements. How would you say that your experience has been in our office?
It's been wonderful. They've taken really good care of me. I am not getting paid to say this. I would not take money to say this.
Right.
I would not promote something that I didn't believe in.
And you mentioned that you had gone to a reunion recently.
Yes, I did.
And
I went to my 40th high school reunion. And I ate some cake, which is not on the list.
Right.
Ate some salsa, some shrimp. Now, chicken is on the list, so I did good there. But I did feel it the next 2 days.
And
I could tell the difference because of the food I ate.
Definitely. So food is playing a major part in you feeling better.
Yes, most definitely.
And Ms. Alexandra, would you recommend this treatment to anyone else out there suffering?
Absolutely, 100%.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.